Go!
We're off. We have our number 1 seed and our number 3 seed competing here in this match. Both robots going and trying to score a second game piece. We have 4 scores on red. Looks like 3 scores on blue. An engagement and maybe not quite for 418. We'll see how the refs count that. As we move into autonomous period, a quick collision in the center of the field between our number 1 and 3 seed. 2 blue robots in the loading station trying to grab 8858, the Beast from the East. They've got a cone. Robots have a cone. 9088 with a Q. Quick scores from the Blue Alliance. Red, not to be outdone, drops a cone in the center and a cube up top. That's 4192, Jaguar Robotics. 2 red robots coming out, 2 blue robots scoring and moving across the field. 118 pirouetting around the contact. A blue collision, 8858 getting a little spun around on their way to get another cone. Quick scores. We have a tight match with a minute and a half remaining. Still early. Anybody's match. As 2687 screams down that right lane. Up and cone into the middle, trying to create a link. Remember, any 3 game pieces in a row is 5 additional bonus points. Beast from the East, they're trying to cap that top. They've got it. That's 5 points for the top, 5 points for the link. Good score by the Beast. All 3 red robots coming down to scoring position, lining up. We've got 1 from red, and Purple Haze and 4192 both trying to get those cubes into the low spots for links. 9088 NASA's Mark Infinity and 118 scoring cubes low. We have 9372 blue in front right now with 45 seconds remaining. Red closing the gap. It'll still potentially come down to the end game on that charge station. All 3 red robots in position to score. All 3 blue robots collecting game pieces with 30 seconds remaining. It is a 3-point margin for blue. Very tight between these high-performing alliances. 118 screaming down, trying to get another one. 4192 and 2687 trying to get last-minute scores with 15 seconds. Every last point counts here in this match. Qualification 36 down to the wire. 10 seconds remaining. Blue with 3 robots up and engaged. Red getting lined up. 2687 throws the last score in. Their partners trying to engage as time expires.
And while we wait for those scores for Mercury, let's come over to the Apollo field and introduce our teams for qualification match 30.